This is something that I always like to share with people, and this is your brain. This is your brain, and here is the thing: if you are a baby, then you can put a baby in any country of the world, and it starts to learn that language. So I was born in Holland, so now I speak Dutch. You were born in Denmark, so you speak Danish as well. But if you put the baby in Japan, it will learn Japanese. If you put the baby in China, then it will learn Chinese. Now, the thing about babies is that they're very open, and they really hear everything. They really perceive everything. And this was us. This is the core. This used to be us. However, then what happens is that we got our cultural conditioning. So what happens is that somehow, because of our culture, also because of our language, we created a firewall system around our brain, so to speak. And there's that firewall system, and new information cannot come in. And what we need to do is to make sure that you start becoming receptive again. And this is the skill by itself, because for most people, it means that you will have to get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
Because this is the thing, it seems to protect you in a way, but once again, it really blocks information. So there are many things about your language, and there are also things that you believe. For example, how loud you're allowed to speak, for example. Are you allowed to interrupt other people? So it's all in this system. And here's the thing, if it's not inside here, it will feel strange. And this is the biggest barrier for people. So what you need to do is you need to remove that firewall system, and you need to learn how to be completely relaxed with it. And then if you can listen to Dutch, and if you can hear what it really is, and if you can stop being negative about it, if you can stop rejecting things instead of saying, oh, I don't understand it, it doesn't make sense. If you can be in that receptive mode, then all of a sudden, learning a language and speaking it will be a lot easier.
Did you make this? Did you see these things apart from each other, and you thought, okay, I have this brain, I'm
Yes.
going to put it in this glass,
yes.
and now it becomes
I bought
my
this in
little
a Danish shop, the Flying Tiger. It's called, I believe.
Oh, the Flying Tiger, I know
no,
that
but
one.
this is how it really works. Because
This is
once
so
again, it's about being receptive.
Yeah. And playful and open. And that's, of course, what we do when we're children. I mean, I just thought, oh, my God, that is so beautiful that if you put a child in a new country, it will learn that.
Yes.
Because it's not, at least in the beginning, not so worrying about making mistakes. It's just doing. It's
Yes.
learning. It's curious. It's trying out. It's like hearing something over there and then it's repeating that thing, not like trying, oh, am I saying it right? No, it's just, what's going on? I'll make it mine, right?
Yes.
So it's the whole curiosity to get in there, and then just let it go and, be open and make mistakes and play.
No,
Basically, it's playfulness,
absolutely.
right?
And it's all about being in a more receptive mode. And the thing is that if you are receptive, it feels so much better. Because then, once again, later on, you can talk with a Dutch person. If you understand a certain system, you can simply listen to people, repeat what they say, and still create your own stories.